skin irritations, skin breakouts, this will help. Also, something I've talked to some people who've tried this, bloating. If you have a bloating issue, the Juice Cleanse could be the way to go, and you can get to squeezed.com, order one, do it today. It could be here this afternoon.
Same-day delivery. That's right, no contact delivery, and all you got to do is go to the website squeezed.com. Goliath Insurance. How can you help me? How can I help you?
I just got into an accident, and I need a repair shop that really knows how to fix the aluminum parts on my car.
Oh.
It's written right in the...
But...
produced to let us know.
Yes, that's it. It's a wonderful emergency radio. It's small, compact, handheld. It gets AM and FM radio. Great way to listen to WCRB. Also has the National Weather Service channel on there. Also a lot of different power sources, which is really what makes this an emergency radio, is the fact that it has a hand crank on there for the battery. It also has solar power now. That's the new feature on here. You can give your phone a charge because of the USB ports that it has. It really is a wonderful little handheld emergency radio. It's fantastic, and it's yours for just $10 a month on the Sustainer plan. Our way of thanking you for your support for WCRB. But 42 minutes left now to pick this up. After that, it goes away. So 888-995-9272 or classicalwcrb.org.
And the news is happening so fast, it's hard to keep up, right? Well, at this moment, you're listening to WCRB. You have made the decision to not keep up, and we support you in that. We're happy to be here and escape from the difficult news of the day. We do need your financial support to do it, that we've shortened the pledge drive so that we can get back to the music quickly. We're going to be getting back to it in under an hour, and so I'm asking that if you can, to please make a contribution. We're going to continue to see the place that you can slow it down.
We're under 22.
Limited warranty.
Here it's due.
Felt very... To schedule a test drive.
Peter and Chase Bone. And on Friday, Junior, getting ready for this weekend. Boston, get it.
All of us joining together, we want to make...
Go to select quote.
She leads me on, but I'll let